practical hands. I'm again telling you that this session belongs for the beginners. Might possible in our session there are too many people available, those who have a strong hand and they know everything, but we focus the audience who have nothing or very less knowledge about word processor. So hope nobody mind this. We start with the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, as I told you in detail, what does it mean? Microsoft Word is the word processor developed by the Microsoft. It was first released on October 25, 1983 under the name Multi-Tool. Word for Xenix system. So it was initial system. Later on, they have a lot of changes in their word processing programs. So here we are going to start with Microsoft Word. I'm using 2016 Office and it's for Windows, but if you are using the different kind of platform, even then they can have the similar options, and I will try to discuss the option which is available for maximum platform, so it would be easy for you. So how we can start with the Microsoft? You can find out the on the bottoms like there is a scroll bar. You can find out Microsoft Word over here. Otherwise, you can search it out. In search bar, you can write the Microsoft Word, and it would be appear over there. Once you click on that one, you can find out there are many templates, a bunch of templates available in front of you, and these templates belongs to different categories, and you can find out there are too many templates available like for events related and creative and business related templates, everything available. And even if you want to search some specific type of templates, you can do you can go ahead and you can find it out. Even if none of the template available which belongs to you, you can search for online templates as well. So let's take a start with blank document. You can find out once you click on a blank document, you can have a layout in front of you. As I told you earlier that Microsoft, all the word processor programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all they have the same environment and same layout, so it will be familiar for you whatever the program you're using. But as we are going to start with the Microsoft Word, so we can have overview with us, and we will start with the overview, and then we will explore all the options. So here in front of you, you can find out the navigation. Navigation means you can search your documents, but I'm going to close this one right now. Let's have a look with the document. On the top, you can find out there are a bunch of tabs available, and every tab have different option inside. And inside these tabs, they are called ribbons, and ribbons can be changed once you change the tab. Every tab have their related ribbons, and you can find out home, insert, design, layout, and many more tabs available, and every tab have different bunch of ribbons. And you can find out that all the ribbons are grouped in multiple sections. It means that all the similar type of options or like the fonts or something like that, they can be on one location, they are available, so you can find them easily. Another thing you can find out, there is extender button with some of the ribbons available and with some of them that is not available. This ribbon means, the extender means, this tab could have more options available, but that is not adjusted in the given space. So you can find out, for example, if you do not find out the font, you can click on the extend and you can find out more options related to the fonts. Look at that one. You can, once you click, you find out more options related to that one. Not all of that ribbon have it. If it means the styles and many other things you can find, but if you do not find this extender, it means all the options already available in this one. Another important thing, maybe it's important for me, not for you, but I would like to view the page, the whole page in front of me. So for this, we can adjust the zooming option, we can reduce and we can increase the zoom to adjust the layout to view in front of me, so it looks more good and more easy to maintain all the document. So let's take a start, and there is one more options I would like to before start of preparing or formatting the document, I will to make it open the rulers. Ruler will give me the appearance that how you can manage and how you can adjust the spacing and everything. So I do need to search it out where it is. Might possible I forget where this one. So how, if we forget, for example, I was thinking it is available in the layout or in preference, but this is not available here. So what can I do? I can do in search bar on right corner, if you can find out, tell me what you want to do. I will write it ruler. If you couldn't get it any option, you can write over here and you can find that I just click on that one and it's appears. So it's very easy. If you're unable to find out any options, you can search them out. So let's take a start to prepare a document and we will try to format it out. You just need to write, press the enter, you will move on the next option. You need to select the option and you can find out there are multiple options appear, the formatting options you can do, and the same option find out in the home screen, home tab. But remember, if you want to apply any of the options, you need to select that area and all of your commands would apply on specific area, which means selected. That selected text can have only apply all these options, and you can see that I am formatting in a different way. You can make undo and redo as well. And here you can find out different styles, headings, and for example, I've been selected with heading 1 and you can see that heading 1, 2, and this is predefined styling options available. You can choose as per your requirement and as per your need. And I put it underline, I make it center, and then I'm going to start in the next line. I'm going to write it down, and whatever you want to write, you can write it, the text. But observe that one, that I can go back, I can click on past areas, but I cannot go ahead. The reason behind it will allow you to be inside that one. I can make changes, I can go back, I make undo, but I am not able to go ahead of this one. So if I wanted to go on the bottom, we need to press the enter multiple times and then you can write, then you can move ahead. So you can see here is a next page started. So if you want to go further, you need to press on the enter button multiple times. I'm going to insert the picture. So insert mean I need to click on the insert button, and I can find out a bunch of options ribbon over here, multiple options, and you can insert online pictures, you can insert many more things, but I'm going to select the picture from my computer. So I've been click on picture, and then I'm going to select the picture, any of the pictures. So I am going to insert. I have been inserted a skeleton, but you can see it's not easy to move. This picture is stick on one location. It is not allowing to move this picture easily. So how we can make it easy? I'm going to reduce the size. And once you click on the picture, you can find out the format button appears, the format tab appears, and there is a formatting options. So you can do a lot of formatting. You see all these options one by one. I have reduced the picture size here, and you can see that it's been reduced, and it is but still I'm not able to move the picture easily. So what we have to do to make it easy movement, if you can see on top right corner, there is one small button. Once I click, that is called layout options. And if this is Office 2016, if you have the older version, you need to click on the right click on the picture, and you can find wrap text. There are multiple options in front of you, behind text or in front of text. You select anything. I'm going to select the behind text. Now you can see I can move this picture very easily, and wherever I want to place it would have no difficulty for me. So that is pretty interesting option, and very useful option to make you able to move your pictures and place your pictures on any of the locations, and you can very easily move that picture. But earlier you have seen it was very difficult, and it was sticky on one locations, and we were not able to move that picture. Online pictures, you can bring it out. For example, you do not have any picture available on system, and you can search out online as well, and there are multiple options available with the pictures. We are going to apply some of them. Click on the format button, and you can see that on left side, remove background. You can remove background for this picture. You can make adjustment of the colors, different colors you can select, and you can make the correction as well. And if you want to put the artistic effects, a different type of effects, you can see that you can apply. You can make undo on any of these. This is the beauty of these word processors, that if you've done something mistake, or you have done something wrong, you can repeat it, or you can move on the previous step. You can choose different options, different tabs, and there are very interesting options, templates you can use on that one. You can crop your picture. Right side, you have seen that once I select, now I can crop as per my requirement. If picture is not appropriate, you can make it appropriate as per your requirements by doing this one. You need to explore all these options, and you can find out different shapes. I can draw different shapes, like arrow or some other kind of shapes. Whatever the shape I would like, I can draw here easily. This is very good option, text box. Text box mean already we have the text. What is the difference between text box? Text box means you can freely adjust your text on top, and this can behave like a picture, as we discussed about the picture that's not easy to move. So if you want to make it easy movable, you can do the same text wrapping. You can choose any of the wrapping in front of you, and now you can see it's easy. Once you're done, now very easily you can move the picture, and you can use the text box as well, because sometimes the simple text is not appropriate, so you can use the text box. In review options, you can go ahead with spelling and grammar checking. If you enable this option, it means it will automatically check and suggest you that this spelling is incorrect, and you have this kind of grammatical mistake, so you can correct them, or system will correct automatically. There are many other options available: thesaurus, word count. Word count is another very interesting option. For example, you have a teacher asks you to write down 500 words essay, so you can count your words, that how many have been typed, so everything with all the details you can see in your document. So here is a layout of your page, how it looks like. You can adjust the margin, and you can do a lot of things, and different layout. You can use all these options. You need to explore multiple options. Everything is available. You can see that from here I can make the spacing between the lines. You can select the line spacing as per your requirement, but you need to select that one, and you can see here is changing. This is line spacing. Right now it's 2, so it's quite a big spacing, so you can adjust. You change the color. You can have the bullets. You can use the font style. You can use the different font style, and if you want to bring out these font style from online, you can do it. You can make the margin adjustments, but better to go with the default one, so it's easy for formatting. And then in the end, it's time to save the document. Save the document. Saving is very important, and you can see you can save on desktop or in the documents, or you can save in OneDrive. Means if you want to save online in your OneDrive, as you understand that Google Drive or OneDrive, these belongs to your email addresses, so you need to sign in if you wanted to save on Drive. OneDrive belongs to Microsoft, and Microsoft means you need Hotmail account to log in to save anything online. Otherwise, you can save on your desktop or your local computer. And after giving name, I click save, and it's been saved. And the next option is print. Once you click on the print, means you have all the option in front of you. You want to print all the pages or specific pages, you can do ahead. The next option is export. This option is very interesting. I want to hold on this option. You can see once you click on export button, you can find out create PDF, XPS documents, or change file type. You can go ahead with this PDF. For example, you want to carry on, as you know that if we carry on, we carry our Word document, and you have prepared your document in 2016 with different formatting, but you are going to copy on different system which has, for example, 2007 Microsoft Office. So might possible that PC do not have the same specific formats, fonts, or any other layouts. So once you open the document, it will appear without that formatting which you have done in 2016 Office. So if you want to carry with the same and specific formatting, and you do not want to change that formatting on any of the systems, so you need to export in PDF. PDF document is one of the best documents that would give you a chance not to change any formatting, layout, font, or anything. Whatever you have prepared, it will remain for on any of the system. So you can go ahead with this one and export PDF. This is the best option available. You do not need to install any additional software, and you need to click on publish. So once you're done, you can see here I can find out parts of speech worksheet as a PDF, and the next this is the source file. This is the Word file also available. So that's all about Microsoft Word. I hope you understand some of the options, and if you have any question, please keep these questions with you, and in the end of the session I'll give you a chance. I will enable the audio and you can ask me a question at that time. The next option is Google Docs. Google Docs is another very interesting and very powerful tool. This is similar to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word have no doubt that Microsoft family have rich context, and there is too many options available. But if you wanted to go with Google Docs, you are not interested to prepare the document on your local system, and you do not want to pay anything on the flash drive, but you want to prepare some kind of documents online, and you want to move on other places, and you want the same documents without carrying on the flash drive, so you can go ahead with Google Docs. More than letters and words, Google Docs brings your documents to life with smart editing and styling tools to help you easily format text and paragraphs. So let's take a start with this time, and we would have a quick action with this one. How you can take a start? You need simply a drive.google.com in your browser, and it will appear in front of you. Google Docs belongs to Gmail, so you need a Gmail account to prepare the document in Google. As I told you earlier, that there are different platforms which offering the word processing tools, like Microsoft Word belongs to Microsoft, so they have the Hotmail platform. But if you want to prepare documents in Google Docs, so it belongs to the Google, so you need to have the Gmail account to continue this one. So you can open drive.google.com/drive, so it will appear in front of you. So here is a Google Doc in front of you. You need to click on new, and it will appear here. So you can see this is the same style of formatting like Microsoft Word. If you want you can do one more thing, that if you want your Microsoft Word document in Google Drive or in Google Docs, so you need to click on this option. On right side you can find out the settings. Once you click on the settings, you can have a convert upload. You need to check this one. So convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. Before editing, you want to bring in Drive the Microsoft Word document, so you need to convert that into the Google formatting, so it would be easy for editing anything inside Google. So you just need to drag and drop here, and is available. But if you are not interested to bring the Microsoft Word document, and you want to prepare document by yourself online, so here is a new URL, that is docs.google.com/documents. So you need to open this link, and you can prepare your new document by yourself with your formatting, and everything would belongs to this docs.google, and this is a separate URL. Earlier we have visited with the drive.google. Drive means if you want to bring the Microsoft Word document and want to convert that into Google Docs, you can do it. But if you want to prepare your own document, so you have to go with Google, the docs.google.com. So this is the complete different environment where you can prepare the online documents. So we are going to start with this one. Look here, the docs.google.com/documents, and here is the environment. You can find out the similar environment of Microsoft Word. When we started Microsoft Word, we have found different templates, and you can find out the same templates and similar kind of templates here as well. You can choose the templates, or you can try with the blank one. We're going with blank one, and you can go with the templates gallery, and you can have a multiple templates over there. And first of all, give the name, design thinking, and then start. And you can find out here, you do not need to save every time. It will save automatically. Whatever you type, after a few seconds it will save automatically. So do not worry about saving the documents. You can perform the text, font style. You can do a lot of things. You can find out the fonts, additional fonts, and you can increase the font size. I just want to repeat one thing, that whatever the command you want to apply, you need to select a specific text, and wherever you have the selection, that commands would apply only on that area, not all the document. So do remember to select the area you want to apply the changes. Normal text, and you can update normal text to match, so all the text can match with easily. You can do undo, and you can print, you can spell check, you can have a paint button. Paint button is very interesting button. For example, you prepare one headline with a specific formatting, font style, bold, italic, you increase size, everything, and but you do not want to reapply one by one again and again, same options you need to apply. So what you need to do, you need to select that formatted text, and you just need to select this paint button, and it will apply wherever you want to take. You can increase and decrease the fonts zoom. You can make it bold, italic, underline, and you can make highlight and insert link. This is interesting thing. If you want to link any of the document to your text, you can do it. This is same like hyperlink in Microsoft Word, and here you can find out different type of links, whatever the link you want to search out online, and here it is. You can make the comments on specific area, and you can share these comments with someone. And how you can share, you just need to click plus and type the name, and you can find out his or her email, and you can select assign to specific that one. So he will receive and the notification that you have a document. So more than one person can work on one document. You can add the pictures here, and pictures can be from computer, upload from the computer. You can find out from drive or photos. So I'm going to search local photos, and here we have added one photo, and we can play with this photo, that how you can adjust this one. You can change the color, you can make the correction, everything you can adjustment in this section. You can make justify left, right, or center. You can make bullet listing and indent, erase indent, or clear formatting. Everything you can perform in this section. In this option, editing option, you can change editing option into selection as well. This editing mode means more than one person are working on this option, so you can click on suggesting. Suggesting means whatever you want to make change, this will not be done in the original document until the editor, who is the owner of the document, confirm this change. So it's very easy. Editing mode, you are in editing mode and you can make different kind of editing, and more than one person can work on a single document, and you can find out different options on right side. Yeah, means the calendar and comments, and you can chat with your team if you have more than one team, so you can chat with them and they all can view comments for each other. It's interesting that more than one person online can work, and it's automatically updating all the informations. No need to carry on or send in the email or many other things. You can share with a specific team member by adding his or her email, and you can give him the options. He can add it or he can only view. So you can select the role for that member to add, to send with a specific note, and notify means he will receive the notification. You can see here that share now mean you have a team and you have shared with them, you want to chat with them, and you can share your ideas, so you can do ahead. And insert option, there are multiple options. You can add the table if you want to add the table. I just want to confirm one thing, that might possible you got an idea that all the word processor have the same options, just the features are different. If you understand one word processor, mean you can work with any kind of word processor, because they're offering similar kind of formatting options, layout, and you can prepare your text, you can highlight your text, you can change the color, you can add a picture, you can add the table and different formatting over there. So try to focus on any of the word processor, and then just forget about anything else. Whatever the word processor in front of you, you need to little bit focus on that one, and you understand that all the options are similar and you can perform very easily. Only the features are different. Like Microsoft Word can be prepared on the local system, you need to install the software, you need to purchase the software, and then you can prepare the documents. But in Google Docs, it's free of cost, and you can prepare the document online, and you can share with multiple people, multiple you are 5 or 10 colleagues and you want to work on the single document. So Google Docs is one of the best option for you guys. You can merge the cell and you can perform a different options. There are table properties, you can change the table border color, inside color, and whatever you want you can perform. You just need to explore multiple options and you can find out multiple pages. Now we are on second page and we are going to draw a new drawing, and you can go ahead with the new drawing. You can find out new drawing from your system and you can put it over here, and you can draw by yourself as well. You can prepare answer different type of charts, I mean to say chart. So you can add different type of chart, and you can prepare as per like you are doing in Excel, in Microsoft Excel, but you can perform same here in this section as well. You can add the table comments. If you have a table, you can prepare different type of comments, and you can change their text, so you can find it out. You can make the title for that one, so it's appear here. So by doing this, you can prepare the table on a page one, and if you want to jump on specific location, you prepare the hyperlink type things. So once you click on that hyperlink, you can move on that specific area by one click. So you can make changes. You can start writing from left, center, or right. Adjust as per back to the page. You can bookmark this one, and it's pretty easy. Once you bookmark this one, you just need to click on that one, and it will take you back on the topic. You can search your document into a web, and you can find out different kind of, if you want to bring some kind of charts or picture or some specific from online, so you can search it out and you simply copy and drag and drop in your document. We can make it footer, and you can find out it's in footer. It's been automatically adjusted. You can bring out the image. You just drag and drop. Look at here, your image with all the informations being where it's been taken, all the details, and the reference link is also available. In the end, this is like very interesting option, the voice typing mean you want to speak and your system understand what you are speaking and it start writing. I would like to give you assignment for this one, that you have to prepare Google Docs once the session finish at your home, and you try this option. This is one of the best option, and it's very intelligent. Intelligent mean they try to understand all kind of English accents, and so whatever the accent you have, it will understand and it will start typing. So that was the last but not least, but very interesting option. So that's all from Google Docs. I hope you understand all these things, and if you want to be expert, the simple suggestion is that you have to practice. Practice makes a man perfect. If you are sitting with me, if you're watching me, it might possible that is the psychological effect that might possible you're understanding 70% right now. But if you do not repeat this one, all the information being removed from your mind in a day or couple of days. But if you do it, if you practice this for one time, it means at least 50% would remain in your mind, and you can easily use different options. So we move ahead. The next, this belongs to the Mac user. If someone belongs to the Mac user and he is using the app platform, so these pages belongs to him or her. Pages is a word processor developed by Apple Incorporation. It is part of the iWork productivity suite and runs on the Mac OS, iPad OS, and iOS operating systems. So this is pretty interesting, and they have much more options. But again, I'm telling you that if you understand one of the like word processor like Master Word or Google Docs, you can use any of the word processor. So let's take a start with this one. So we can have some option with this one. Find out the page, click on the pages. Here it is. You have the same environment, same layout, only the platform is different. You can have similar kind of templates, and if you need a specific template, you can select it, you can edit it, and you can use it. You can find out books portrait, books landscape, and letters format. And if you want resume, you need the letters, whatever the format you want it, there is a bunch of templates and options available. You can choose anyone. Look, flyers and posters even available, newsletters, cards, and everything is prepared. You just need to click and you add your informations, replace the pictures, and it's ready. Business cards, certificates, and everything is available. I think more options available, better than any word processing programs. So Apple is providing more options and more like more easy options, more prepaid already running templates are available, and it's all free of cost. There is no cost for that. So let us start with the essay. So I'm going to create. On the bottom you can find out create. So here is a template in front of me, so I can change the information. Everything is being available, so I just need to change the information. You can find out options in the file. You can open specific document. You can go ahead, make the duplicate. You can move, revert, export. Multiple options. You can export the PDF, Word, EPUB, plain text, whatever the format you wanted. You can save it. You can export it. You can do the page setup, and you can print as well. You can set the password for your documents. In editing, you can have the same editing, paste, like select all, track changes. These are the similar options for all the word processor, spelling and grammar. Only headings change. You can do the speech. You can start dictation. Same thing you can do in the Google Docs as well. You can create a table, chart, text boxes, shape line. You can bring out the image from the gallery. You can import from iPhone or iPad. You can record audio as well, and you can add some kind of formulas for mathematical operations. Formatting, you can do it font, text, and image or movie or whatever you want to import. You can do the formatting with that one. You can arrange, you can view multiple options in front of you. You can play with that, all these options. You can share, collaborate with this one. You can copy, send a copy with your colleague. You can share with them. Me like airdrop, this is one of the best option. The airdrop means you can share with the similar the Apple devices quickly. You can share with this one. And this is a page break, date, time, equations, footnote. You can add in the page, and here you can add the tables and different formatting of the tables available. So you can choose as per your requirement, and you can add it, and you can find out the same formatting. You just need to add the information, and on right side there are table options. You can select different options, or a table font size and many other things, and styling, and with the cell and text, and you can arrange them in different layouts, and there are styles available. There is you can make them bold, italic, or you can prepare different type of text. You can arrange that text in different formats. You can change the size and positioning as well. You can lock it down, lock selected object to prevent editing. If you lock it down, no one can make editing. So if you want to keep it safe, you can do it. You can add a different type of charts that could be 2D, 3D, and interactive. This is little advanced feature and options available other than other word processors. So it's Apple, so they are offering little more advanced features. You can added chart data, similar like to other word processors. So you can add the data and you can make it save. Here you can bring out different type of shapes, and there are food symbols, educations, and many more things. You can add it, whatever you want to add, you can do it. You can add the photos, and you can bring out the images from gallery. You can bring out music, and you can record audio as well. You can comment, and that comment would be appear in front of that picture, so you can make it comment and you can do it like this way. So once you click on that one, if anyone make the comments, you can read that comments for that. And you can do all the formatting for these type of comments. You can change the color as well, this flag color. Oh, sorry. So you can collaborate, set up iCloud Drive to share documents. As I told you earlier, that all kind of platforms have their own system, and you need to follow their rules. Like Microsoft have OneDrive, like Google Drive have Google Drive. Similar, the Apple have the iCloud Drive. So if you want to collaborate, you need to create iCloud account, and I think so 5 GB free space you could have it with your Apple ID. So 5 GB data you can upload online. The similar like Microsoft Office, I think OneDrive also offering the 5 GB. Only Google Drives offering you the 15 GB. The more spaces is available, so you can use all these platforms to keep the documents online, so you can bring it out anywhere with you. You can print it out, and you can adjust the paper size, and as per your requirement you can set the header and footer, documents body, document margins you can set over there, and you can create the sections, and you can do the formatting, page formatting, everything you can set with this one. Bookmarks, you can add bookmarks to reach out on specific locations, so you can add the bookmarks. This is similar bookmarks which you have seen in the Google Documents and Microsoft Word. Here is subtitles. As we have seen in Microsoft Word, these all options are similar. You just need to practice with that one. Paragraph styling, you can adjust different type of paragraph styling. You can find out comments, me like I commented on one picture, so you can find out that how many comments you have in the list, and you can find out all the comments in this list. So it would be easy to reply for any of the comments. So make it highlighted area. So I'm going to add, for example, the another comment, so it would appear here. So all the comments in this list. You can make it highlight. Highlight means if you want to highlight a specific text, you need to select and click on highlight, so it would have the yellow color, and you can easily make the comment, and you can easily recognize, for example, if you have highlighted some specific area. So that's all from Pages. I hope the Mac user would be happy with this one, because we added, especially normally all the training sessions focus for Windows environment. So we try to cover the Mac user as well. If some of you belongs to the Mac, so you do not need the Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office to install. If you want to use the Pages environment, it is one of the best environment and have multiple options available, and there is bunch of templates available. You can take any of the template and you can use them for more productivity. The next, and this is the last one, this is Office Online. I will take a quick review for this one, and this is another interesting option for you guys. The reason behind is, for example, this is the same like Microsoft Office, but this is available online. This is also available on your mobile devices. Most of you maybe do not have an idea that Microsoft Office application available for the mobile, and you can download it and you can apply multiple options over there. And not only the Word, Excel, PowerPoint things, you can do it over there. You can create the PDF documents and you can prepare the signature. For example, you want to create, in last session I have discussed about this feature, that if you want a digital signature, you do not need any specific application. You just need to install Microsoft Office Online. It would give you a lot of features and free features as well. So in this section we will discuss Microsoft Office, or simply Office is a family of client software, server software and services developed by Microsoft. And it was initially starts by Bill Gates on August 1, 1988. And 1988 till now, there is blah changes over there, and you cannot find the old Office and the new Office. There is big changes. Now it's much more productive, and there are more easy options and more productive options. So let's take a start with this, and we will see how we can use it. This is not it will not take long time, so we are almost end of the session. So how you can reach to the Office Online? You just need to open the Google Chrome or any of the browser. You just need to open that one, and then in the search bar you need to type it Office URL. We will start it here. office.com and enter, and you can find out this page, and here you need to sign in with your Hotmail account, or here I would like to tell you that you have the university account, and university have 365 free version of Microsoft Office, so you need to give your user ID and password from the university, and you will receive one message on your mobile, registered mobile, and you add that code and click on verify. And Office 365 have multiple options that you can avail free of cost, just because of you belongs to the Jazan University. And here you can find out OneDrive, Word, Excel and PowerPoint, OneNote, and there are too many options available. You can use all the Office environment in this section. but this is available online. You do not need to install this software on your PC. You can find out multiple templates in front of you. In the same way, in the similar way, you can choose any of the topic template which is which suits you, and you can select that one and you can add it as per your requirement. It will be open, and here it is. You can find out the same environment. I would like to just mention one thing, there's two options available. One, you can go ahead online and you can do all the options same like the one you have installed on your application, but there are little bit less options available than the application you install on the system. But here is one option, open in desktop app. Once you click on that one, the same document will open on your desktop, but there are much more options appear in front of you than online options. So in if you continue online, might possible you do not find out all the options. If you need all operations, you need to click on open word in desktop app, so it bring all the options which you normally regularly use. It's downloading document, and now here is our desktop application. You can find out the similar and same environment like Microsoft Word, and you can have all the tabs and ribbons. You can find out like in normal Microsoft Word, you can find out here. So if you do not want to install the Microsoft Office on your system, so you can go ahead with this one, with this online environment, and this is one of the best environment. And like nowadays we have the restriction in Jame Jazan that we cannot upload any of the document in any of the local drive, in the Google Drive or Hotmail Drive. So here is OneDrive available, so you can upload the document very easily on university network as well. Explore all the templates. You can explore many templates, and if you need a specific template, you can find out there are too many options available with you. Like I click on teacher appreciation cards, so I can download this one, and this is downloading as a document. So that's all for Office Online, and I hope you enjoy this session. With this Office environment, we are going to end of the session, and I hope you learned something new. And now I'm going to enable the audio. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly. And I'm going to stop sharing.